A university bookstore ordered 94 shipments of notebooks. There were 9,457 notebooks in each shipment. How many notebooks did the bookstore order in all? So, 94 shipments with 9,457 notebooks in each one. So this is 94 groups of 9,457. So we multiply 94 times 9,457. Now I'm going to write out the standard way of multiplying this, and I always like to put my larger number on top, so I'm going to write out 9,457 times 94. Now when you multiply a 4-digit number to a 2-digit number, you go to the bottom number and start out with the number in the ones place value and multiply right to left, knowing that we're probably going to have to carry over a few times. So 4 times 7 is 28. Write out 8, carry over a 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22, the Taylor Swift special. So write out your 2, carry over a 2. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Write out your 8, carry over a 1. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. And since that's our last number in the row, we're going to write out all of 37. Now let's get rid of these numbers so they don't accidentally use them again, because we're going to repeat the process with 9 here. Now when we jump to 9, we always make sure that we put a 0 in the ones place value whenever we're multiplying our number in the tens place value. We repeat the process, and yeah, we're going to have to carry over a bunch of times. Ugly numbers here. So 9 times 7 is 63. Write out your 3, carry over a 6. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 6 is 51. Write out a 1, carry over the 5. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. Write out your 1, carry over a 4. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 4 is 85. And since that's our last number, we're going to write out all of 85. Now we add these two numbers up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. And nothing plus 8 is 8. Let's go from the right, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. And this is a word problem. So the question is asking how many notebooks did the bookstore order in all? Well, 888,958 notebooks. And that is our answer.